division of the even and odd numbers, and then we have to start the ordinal number, right?
Okay.
Okay. Let me share the screen.
It's already 7:51.
Yeah, I know. Because of some technical problem, it was not. I can't able to join.
Why did you
I'm
came
trying.
so
I'm
late?
trying from 15 minutes. I'm trying from 15 minutes.
How much more minutes do we have in class? Do we still have 45 minutes?
Yeah, it's okay. I can extend that, no problem. Let me open my whiteboard. Okay, so tell me what are the even numbers? Do you know the even numbers?
Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
2, 4, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Yeah, these are the even numbers. It means the numbers by which we can make the pairs. Okay, the number by which, suppose there are 1 flower, 2 flower, 3 flowers, and suppose there are 4 flowers. Okay, and now we have to, I will make the pair of 2 flowers. We will make the set of 2 flowers. This means this is the pair of 1. In pair there are 2 counts. Okay, this is the pair of 1 and this is the pair of 1. So the things by for which we can make the pairs, they are known as even number. Okay, by which the pair can be made. Suppose like here we can make the pairs. Similarly, see the stars 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, there are 5 stars, and if I will make the pair of 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now, okay, see, we have made the pairs. In one pair, there are 2 sets. Okay, in one pair there are 2 sets, but see, there is one remaining. There is one remaining. We can't make the pair of this. That's why this is called odd number. See, they are in the odd number. Yes, because
1, 3, 5, 7,
yeah.
9.
Yes, correct. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like this. It goes on. So for which we can make the pairs, they are the even number, and for which we can't make the pairs, they are the odd number. Okay, now one more thing. Now these are the even and odd number. Okay, now let's see the pattern. Let's see how to fill the, some patterns are given if suppose 2, then 4, then 8, then tell me what will become in the next 3 blanks.
2, 4,
Everyone,
2, 4, 8. Wait, what?
see, these are the patterns. 3 numbers are given. Okay, you have to fill the patterns. Suppose in the first one 2 is given, then 4 is given, then 8 is given. Just tell me what to by following the same pattern, what will be there in the 3 blanks.
2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8.
Next,
Wait, I don't know.
you don't know. Okay, let's try.
12, 14.
Yes, yes. See there. See after 2, there is one gap. Then 4. Okay. Do you know the table? Do you know the tables?
Okay, but where's the 6? 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah, this is like the, no, not you can see the tables. It's not 2, 4, 6, 8. It is not the table of 2. But I am asking, do you know the table or not? Table of 2, table of 3, table of 4.
No.
You don't know the table? Okay. Okay, leave the table. See here. 2, then after 2, how many gaps are there? Leave 1, then 4. Okay, after leaving 1, 2, after leave 1, then 4. Similarly, when we are going to 4, when we come after 4 to 8. Can you see here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
16.
Here, yes, it will be 16. But how it will be 16? Can you tell me? See here, there is a gap.
No.
2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. You all have to learn the table. Otherwise, you will not able to do this pattern. You will all have to learn the tables also. Now see here, there is a gap of 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is, there is a difference of 2. See after 2, 3,
36.
4. See here, can you see the difference? Here is the difference of 4. After 2, 3, 4. Can you see difference of 2? After 4, 8 is there. So how till 8 will come after 4? Then count 5, 6, again 2 more, again 2 more. So we are go on increasing 2, 2, 2. See here, here is the difference in 2. Here is the difference. Here is the difference of 2. Here is the difference of 4. Here is the difference of 6. Can you see the pattern? If here is the difference of 6, 2, 4, 6,
And 32.
8, yes, 32.
32.
Okay, so these are the differences. Wait, let me give you the small number. See here. See another difference. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now it's easy.
And then 64.
Yeah. No, not 64 now. Now can you see? See here, after every number, there is a difference of only 2. See here, like here 2, from between 2 to 4 only 2. 2 to 6 also difference of 2. 2 to 6 to 8 also difference of 2. See here, after every 2, the number come 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, there is a difference of 2. So after 8, again count up to 2 place, 9, 10. Right?
10. Yes. And then after 10 is 12.
Yes. Again, bring your 2 fingers out after 10, 11, and 12.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, and then after 12 is 14.
Yeah. After 12, 13, 14.
Okay, 14. And after 14 is 16.
15, 16. Yes.
I got it right.
Yes. Okay, just a minute. Okay, 5 and 6. Tell me, do you understand this?
Yeah.
Are you sure you understand? Then I will ask you. Okay. See, what is the difference? There was a difference of 2. Let's see the difference of now. Like there is another question, suppose. See, 1. Okay, 1, 3, 6. And tell me what will be there. Okay, now tell me. 1, 3, 6. After 6?
After 1, 3, 6, and then
See the difference? Everyone, both of you see the difference. 1 and 3. Between 1 and 3, what is the difference?
1, 3,
1, 2, 3. Here, 1 after 1, 2, 3. There are 2 differences 2. Can you count? Can you count from 1 up to 3? 1, 2, 3. Take out
1, 2,
fingers
3.
and count. Yeah. After
One,
1, 2, 3.
3.
Okay. Wait a minute. Not 3 fingers. Only 2 fingers are there. Yeah. But see, wait a minute. After 3, count again from this finger. 3, 4, 5, and 1 more. Can you see 1 more?
4, 8.
No, after 3, no. After 3, start count. 5, 6.
5,
4, 5, 6. Here, see the difference? Can you see the difference is 3? Again, see here 1 is given, okay? And after 1, we have to go to 3. See here, first number is 1, second number is 3. So what you will do? After 1, count up to 3. 2, 3. Everyone count with me. Count with me. 2, 3.
2,
Right?
3.
Yes, after
2,
3.
3.
Yes, after 3 there is 6, right? So again from here, after 3, 4,
4,
5,
5.
then 1 more. Bring 1 more finger out, 6. Yes. So we have got 6. Now see down. See the down. Here is first we have bring out 2 fingers. Then we have counting on the third 3 finger. And now we have to count on 4 fingers. Can you see? Here we have counted on 2 fingers. Here we have counted on 3 fingers. And now we will count on 1 more, that will be 4 finger. Okay. Now wait, let's start counting. After 6, 7, 8,
8,
9,
9,
and 10.
10.
So here it will be 10.
10.
Okay. Now again see here, we have counted from 4 fingers.
Is the next one 15?
Yeah, let's see. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 1 more finger. That is 15. Yes, this is 15. And we have counted now on 4 finger. Now see here, first we have counted on 2 finger, then on 3 finger, then on 4 finger, then on 5 finger, and now we will count
The
on.
next one I think is going to be 21.
It will be 6 finger. Let's see what it will come. When we'll count on 6 finger. After 15 count. 16,
21.
17,
17.
18,
18.
19, 20,
20.
and 21.
That makes
Yes.
21. I was right.
Yes, 21 is correct.
Wow, we used so much of.
Okay, now tell me, do you understand this pattern?
Yes. Yeah. I understand. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21.
Yeah, this is the pattern. It goes on like this.
Ooh.
Okay, tell me 5 and 6. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then tell, okay? If you understand, then tell, okay?
Okay.
Don't be quiet and keep on answering whatever the question I'm asking. Keep on answering, okay? Now see the next one. 2, 3, 5, 8. Wait one more. 8. Okay, now tell me the next 3 numbers. Now tell me the next 3 numbers. See, everyone, see the difference? 2, after 2, the difference is, after 2, 3, only 1. Can you see only 1 finger? Right? 2, then 3. We have got 3. Now count from 3, after 3, 4, and 5. See, 5 is coming on 2 fingers. Can you see? After 3, 4, 5. 5 is coming on 2 fingers. So here we will write 2. See the difference? 1 finger, then 2 finger. Now let's check 8.
Then next one is 3 fingers.
Yeah. Then after 5, 6, 7 and 8. See here on 3 fingers, that is 8. Okay, now tell me the next number. What will be the next number? Count. See my fingers and count. We on 3 fingers we have got 8. So how many fingers we have to take out now?
12. 12.
Yes. Yes, correct. After 8, see here 1 finger, 2 finger, 3
3.
finger, and then 4 finger.
4 finger.
Yes. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? 9,
Yeah.
10, 11, 12. Now tell me the next one. Count by your own. Count by your own. Don't ask. Take out your finger and then count. Okay? Tell me
Okay.
your answer by your own. Okay.
17.
Now see. After 4, how many fingers we will take out? Now tell me.
17.
Yeah. 17. But how many fingers will take out? After 4? See,
5.
yeah.
5
1
fingers.
finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger, then 5
5
fingers.
finger.
So after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? So it will be 17. Now see the next one. Here we have take out our 5 finger. Now in the next, how many fingers?
Finger.
Yeah, then 6 finger. So after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and
23.
23.
Um,
23. Right? Is it clear now?
it's clear.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
clear.
now I am giving you one question and you both will have to solve that. Okay?
What did you say?
I am giving you one question and both of you will solve that question and tell me the answer.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now tell me the answer.
What?
The first number is 8.
8,
Second is 9,
9,
11,
11,
14.
14. And then
Yes. Now tell me the next 3 numbers and both of you will have to do with your own. Otherwise you will not understand this. Do and tell me the answer.
18.
Yes. Everyone complete and then tell me. Complete and then tell me the answer.
23.
No, not like this. Complete the whole answer and then tell me.
12.
First complete and then tell me. Do it in the copy and then tell me the answer. Not one by one. I need all the answers together.
Um,
Just try. See, take out your finger and try. This comes in one finger.
One finger, two finger,
Yeah, like
three
this.
finger,
Yeah, tell the answer.
four
What will be the answer? What will be the answer
five
here?
finger, and then six finger.
Yes, correct. It can be more. It can be up to 7 finger also.
What?
Yes, it can be more. Okay. In exam, it can possible that there can be more blanks. So it's not necessary only up to 6 finger. It depends on the question. Now do it in the copy and tell me the answer.
23? What?
First complete this and then tell me that if you have completed, then tell me all the answers together. Complete and tell me all the answers together.
One, two, one finger, two finger.
Have you done? What happened? What happened 586? Is this question clear to you or not? Please tell me. If it's not, then I will explain you again.
I'll say. Okay.
Yes, please ask. Do you understand this or not?
Okay. Or yeah.
What you are saying? Do you understand this question or not? Tell me the answer. Solve it in the copy.
23, 69. No, yeah. What? 29 and then 30.
Yes, right. You are saying the right.
And then 30.
Your camera is off.
Then 30.
831. Your cam. Okay, yeah. Now it's not.
And 30.
586.
35.
Tell me.
35.
Not 35. Not 35. Count again.
I forget.
Write in the copy, otherwise you will forget. Okay, write in the copy. Try. 586. Please try. 586. Try. Take out your finger and count. Yes. Count. See how you
1,
will count.
2.
After 9. See. After 8. 9. Can you see 586? After 8.
Yeah.
In one finger there is 9, right?
Yeah.
And after 9 again count. After 9, 10, 11. How many fingers? 2 fingers. Yes or no? 586. Please see here. See here. I'm explaining. See here. See, after 9, how many fingers we have to take out for the 9 after 8? See here, after 8, only one finger, then 9 comes. Yes or no?
I would say yes.
Yeah. Then so take out your finger and count. Take out your finger. See,
No.
after 8, one finger, 9. Right?
9.
See me, see to me. Don't see screen, see here. This is 9, right? After 9, count up to 11. After 9, again in the finger, count up to 11. 10, 11.
11.
How many fingers are there? 2 fingers?
3 fingers.
No, 3, only 2 fingers. Okay, 9, 10, yeah, 3 fingers, right, correct. 9, 10, 11, 3 fingers, right? So
Yeah.
we have to open the one finger, then we have opened the second finger, then we have opened the third finger. Now how many fingers we will open? For the 14. See, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Tell me number of fingers. We are opening 12, 13, 14. 3
No.
fingers are we opening or not?
18, 23, 29, 35.
18, 23, 29 and 36. Not 35. Okay, wait, let us check here. Just a minute. See here it will come 14. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here we have opened the 4 fingers. After 4 finger, we will open the 5 finger. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So when we have opened the 5 finger, then it is coming 23 here. Now 6 finger. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29.
9.
Okay, up to here 29. Now how many fingers we will take out? Here we have opened our 6 finger. Now 7 finger.
7 finger.
Yeah. So after 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. Right?
Yes.
Now is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, 586. Tell me, is it clear to you or not? You are not responding.
What's that?
Are you sure you have understood?
Okay.
Okay. Now let's start the ordinal number. Okay. Now we have to start the ordinal number up to here. This is the pattern writing. It okay like this. The pattern can come. The pattern can be any. It's only the same. See, pattern can be any like 2, 4, 6. See here, I am telling you the types of patterns. See here. 531. 531. See here. Everyone see here. See, this is another pattern here. The difference is 2. After 2 finger, 4. Again the same finger. Again the same finger, 6.
3.
Again the same finger, 8.
Then, whoa, 2 finger, 2 finger, and 2 finger.
Here the same fingers are there.
And that makes 10,
Yeah.
12, 10,
Again the same
12,
finger.
and 14. 10,
Correct.
12, 14. And
Yes.
fingers 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2.
Yeah, correct. 2, 2, 2.
So much 2.
Okay. Yeah. See, this is one pattern. Like similarly, it can come like 1, 4, 7, 10. Can you see the difference?
14.
No, not 14. It's 1, it's 4. So 3. Now here 3 finger. Here also 3 finger. Here also 3 finger.
3 finger, 3 finger.
Yeah. So tell me what will be the next answer.
Let me see.
Count after 3 fingers. 11, 12, 13.
30. 30
Again,
and then
again,
18.
60.
14,
60.
15, 16.
And then 19.
Again, 17, 18,
19.
19.
I knew it.
Yes.
It feels like
Okay.
counting
Now,
by threes.
yeah, by 3 it is increasing. It is by 3. We have to count up to 3, right? 3
Yes.
fingers. So, like this pattern can be any. It can be in increasing. The fingers can be in increasing order. It can be the same. Now, so the next one is ordinal number. Like the number name.
Wait, what is that?
See a ordinal number. What is the ordinal number? Like this, the number which shows the order like first. This is not the number name. Number name is different, like ON1, TW2, that is different. This is the ordinal number, like first,
Second,
second,
third,
yes, third,
fourth,
fourth,
fifth,
fifth,
sixth,
sixth,
seventh,
seventh,
eighth,
eighth,
ninth,
ninth,
10th.
and tenth. Right, tenth. So for first we write FIRST, not one. One, two are the number names. That are the number names, and these are the ordinal number. First,
First,
similarly your second,
second,
note down the spellings. Third, you have to learn the spellings, learn the name.
wait, I think I know a little bit of the spelling.
You know?
Just a little bit. Like, first, I think I know a little bit.
Okay, if you don't know, please note it down, because now we have to solve some problem of this. Fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh. Then eight. 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 Then nine. NINTH. Nine. And then 10.
10.
10.
Okay, now listen to me. I will post you the assignment. Okay, that you have to, the pattern assignment and the pair assignment. Okay, that you have to do and you have to post it here, right?
Okay.
Where you will find the assignment, let me tell you. Go to the teams, then go to the files over there. Okay, in the files you can you will find that today's what is today's date here. Today's date is 18. Here today's date is 18 August. Okay, so you will find the folder of 18 August. Open that folder and
Okay.
solve that assignment and just post it on the chat or wherever you want to post. Okay,
Okay.
both of you.
Okay.
Yes, you will have to solve that assignment. I will post it now or after some time. I will post. At least today I will post. Okay.
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 My today means your next day because here it's morning itself, right?
Okay. What do we do with the assignment?
What?
What
In
do
the
we do with the
assignment,
assignment?
you
Yeah.
have to you have to solve that assignment.
Oh, okay. Now I know.
Okay. I will give you some worksheet. I will post the assignment that you have to solve, and again you all will post here, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds
So this
easy enough.
yeah, this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth, this is seventh, this is eighth, this is nine, and this is 10. Suppose there are some ball. Wait, one.
Those. What are those?
These are the balls named alphabet A, S, R,
What?
T, L, P, Q, and M. Now tell me which alphabet comes in the third place. Which alphabet is in the third place from the left? From the left. Clearly, first listen my question and then answer all of you. Then name the alphabet which is in the third place from the left.
Is this side? Or this way? Oh.
Name the alphabet. Name the order of the alphabet. Name the alphabet which is in the third place from the left. Just count from the left and tell me in third place which alphabet is there.
C?
No, there is no C. Where is C? I can't see any C.
Okay, wait. I don't know.
Where's C? Tell me count from the left. First, second, third. You are asking about the third one. Which is in the third place? Which alphabet is in the third place? Please tell. Quickly. See here. Okay, see, I'm telling you. See here. First, this is first. From the left, see, this is the left side, right? This is the left side. This is first. This is second. And this is
R?
third. Can you see? R is in the third place.
Oh.
In
I
the
thought you
third
said something
place.
else. I thought you meant like something else, not this.
Okay. So in the third place, which alphabet is there? R. Right? Now
Okay.
listen my next question. Listen my next question.
You're not ready.
Now tell me which alphabet is there in the fourth place from the right.
Fourth?
Fourth is from the right side.
L. L.
Yes, correct. Start from the, this is the right side. First, second, third, fourth, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Easy.
L is in the fourth place from the right side, right? Okay, now next question is, tell me the place of T. Tell me the place of T from the left side.
Wait, what did you say again? I didn't hear that good.
Tell me the place of T. Place of T from the left side. Count and tell me the place of T. In which number? Yes.
6.
No, from the left side. T. I'm asking about T. Place of T.
6.
T for tiger.
Wait, what?
T for tiger. T. Place of T.
Fourth?
Tell me the place of, yes, correct. 4. So see here, first, second, third, fourth. So in the fourth place,
I thought you said 6. I thought you said P, not T.
okay, I'm writing a T for tiger.
Okay.
586. Tell me why you're not answering. Are you getting how to do it or not? 586. Tell me, do you understanding this question?
I don't know.
You don't know? See, you have to count. See, just count the place. 586. This is first place. This is second place. This is third place. This is fourth place. Fifth place. Sixth place. Seventh place and eighth place. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, this is from the starting. This is from the left side. This is your left side. Show me your left hand now. Show me your left hand. Okay, I am telling you, is this your left side or right side? I am telling the opposite side or not? Or I am telling the right side, I don't know. Because my right is your, oh, it means that the question we are solving, I think it's your right side, right? My left is your right. Yes.
This is my left.
Okay, it means just see the opposite. Here is my left. It means your left is from this side, right?
Yeah, my left from that side instead of that side. Which is it supposed to be?
This side is your left, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and my left is this side. Okay. Now again, I think we have to. Our left are different. Okay, again see here.
Now what do we do?
Now tell me again, everyone listen. Tell me the number. Tell me the alphabet which is in the fifth place from the right. Fifth place from the right. Show me your right hand first. Show me your right hand.
Fifth from the
See, this is your
right
right side.
hand. This one.
Okay, so this side is
Right
your right
hand.
side, right?
T.
No, listen here. This side is your right side. If this is your right side, then it will not be T. This is your right side, right?
T. Yes, this is that's my right side.
Okay. So it will be first.
T.
Wait,
L.
first, second,
T.
third, fourth. Yes, correct. T.
Yay, I'm correct.
Okay, it will be T.
Okay.
Now, okay,
T.
now tell me, tell me the number which is on the, okay, tell me the place of L. Place of L from the left
Place
side.
L. Like
From the left side. Count from the left side.
6.
Again count.
Wait. Fifth.
Yes, correct. The place of L from the right side, left side is fifth. Correct.
Why is 5, 8, 6, 9? It's right.
Yeah, okay. Now I think is it clear now?
Yes, it's clear. Clear to me.
Okay, so I will send some worksheet and you will have to solve that worksheet, okay? And related to this problem, we will do one worksheet also in the next class, right?
Okay.
Okay.
So 5 and 6, please try to solve the worksheet that I will post, okay?
Okay.
And if you will get any problem, you can write on the chat box or you can ask me in the next class. Okay, ask me in the
Okay.
next class, I will tell that.
Okay.
But solve with your own, try to solve with your own, right?
Is it time to leave?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye.